The game design program is a 4-year program, learning how to design games from the ground up. The program is really small, so you get to learn about everything with your peers, and your peers are with you throughout your 4 years, so you're going to be working with them quite a bit. You will be making games, not just sitting there learning about them. In Grand River Hall, we have a game design space that's made specifically for us to play, learn, and work. Professors actually go out of their way to find contracts for us to work as game designers for companies like Amazon, Red Bull. Game design is a growing field. I want to learn how to make games like that are fun, engaging, and that teach people. Having that work-ready experience has me already working in the field, which means I'm already gaining the experience I need